And we're back. So this is literally, as soon as you open it up, this is literally first thing you gotta do. Everything is like completely stuck. Do not mind my PJs, but like everything is in here so tight. So it's kind of hard to get everything out. Kind of just have to like turn it upside down and kind of just like lean it out. But once it comes out, you're all good. So go ahead and get rid of the box because we're not using it anymore. So this is the actual ice maker. It's a pretty big ice maker, as you can see. So I'm gonna use my knife to go ahead and get some tape off. There's that. It is shipped very well, very covered shipping. You don't have to worry about anything breaking, anything like that. Go ahead and get the plastic off of it. So this is first glance. This is really nice. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look at the color of this thing. This is nice. Look at the back of this. It's big, but this is really nice. Oh my goodness. I actually have a second ice maker and I may be getting rid of this one depending on how this one works. I'm actually excited to use this. So it tells you up here at the front, it says pretty much before plugging your ice maker in, allow 2 hours for the stand upright refrigerator to settle. There goes my dog. I'll come back. Okay, so with this ice maker, you actually get this little bag right here. It's like a little ice bag, which is really nice. You can literally carry it, so you can create the ice and then literally just put the ice in here and store it. Take it anywhere, just kind of like wash it out. I do recommend first thing doing though is going and actually washing your ice maker out. All you need to do is there's like a tray in here. You pretty much lift this tray up and you pour the water in there. I like to use pretty much like a regular solo cup, regular red solo cup, like one of those party cups. I fill up those twice and just pour it in there and you press the power button, it turns on. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean mine out. I'm gonna make a second cut and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like once the ice is kind of getting flowing and going. So I actually told you wrong. The water's supposed to not go in down here. It's supposed to go right here at the top. I poured some in right before this video started. So pretty much what you do is just flip this part up right here. As you can see, there is a max, like you see that full line. That is the line you want to kind of max out. I'm not going to max it out all the way, but you can kind of see the water down there at the bottom. It took me about 3.5 cups. As you can see, this is where the water stops at. It's probably where as much as I'll fill it up to, but I will kind of show you once the water's in there, once it gets flowing, I'll show you what the ice actually looks like, and that's pretty much all. So as soon as I started, the water kind of like, you can see, that's kind of like really cool. The water kind of just like floods down in there. So it does it on its own. So that's really nice. That's really cool actually. Really cool setting on this ice maker. Really like this. Just look at that. Look at the color on this thing. It's really nice. So many different settings. You can change the temperature on it and everything. So cannot wait to try this thing out. This looks great as well. Look at that. That is so cool. That is cool. And here is an update on pretty much how the ice looks. You can see there is like ice cubes and it's like sectioned, different type of rows on there as well. The ice cube comes out of this little part right here, but overall it's a really great ice maker. If you're looking for a really good one, definitely try this one out.